Crime Branch Mumbai registered an offence in February 2021 at Malwani police station regarding picturization of some pornographic films and their publishing. It was observed during the investigation that some small-time artists were lured into giving break in some web series or some short stories. They were asked to, they were called for auditions and were asked to give some bold scenes, which later on translated into semi-nudity and complete nude scenes also, which was against their wishes. So some of these victims, they approached Crime Branch Mumbai. We registered the offence and investigated. During investigation, we found out that there were many such apps which were operating in this cyber world. Out of that, we've arrested some producers like Roa Khan and her husband, Gehna Vashisht, Tanveer Hashmi, Umesh Kamath. Now, during investigation, we found that Umesh Kamath is looking after the India operations of Mr. Raj Kundra, who is a well-known businessman in Mumbai. This Umesh Kamath, he operated all the apps and content creation for this for the company of Mr. Raj Kundra. Now, this Vian company of Raj Kundra had a tie-up with Kendrin company, which is based in London, and Kendrin owns this Hotshot app. This Hotshots app was publishing all this nude content which was subscription based. Although Kendrin and Hotshots were registered in London, all the content creation and operations of this Hotshots app, including the accounting part and the piracy part, was carried out through the office of Vian company in Mumbai. So during this investigation, we have laid our hands on some documentary evidence, some electronic evidence, and many other evidences came to us. Accordingly, we sought permission of court for office search and recovered all this content from the office of Mr. Raj Kundra. Investigation is going on. It is only because of the nude content on this app of Hotshots that even Apple Store took down the app in June 2020, and Google Play Store also took it down in November 2020. Now further investigation is going on. Thank you. Content creation or publishing.
First charge sheet was filed in April, and in the charge sheet there are a lot of WhatsApp chats between Pradeep Bakshi and Raj Kundra. So I just want to understand what is that fresh evidence and the fresh link that has come before the crime branch which led to his arrest now?
Yes. Yeah, it was investigation is a process. During investigation, there were certain hitches, but we overcame those hitches. And in the fresh office search that we conducted yesterday, we found lots of incriminating evidences based on which we arrested them.
So what were those hitches? Because that charge sheet was filed in April only, which had the chats which you guys have used as an evidence. And so why the delay of what kind of?
Yeah, there were many electronic evidences also to be proven. Some accounts were to be verified, transfer of money, and real ownership. Beyond doubt, before we could take some coercive action in this. Yeah, there are some leads into that. That was account to account transfer also. Electronic transfer of money. Yeah. Vihan है? Arms Prime, yeah.
Sir, there was another claim that the company was already sold, or these rights were already sold to Pradeep Bakshi. So what about the claim of Raj Kundra that he was not having any ownership or any direct involvement in the hot shot at the time when he was?
We will certainly verify this, but as I said, this is an ongoing offense for quite a few months. This complaint has been there for at least an year or two.
Sir, was there any involvement of Raj Kundra even after his claim of being rights sold to Pradeep Bakshi?
Operations were all looked after by his company only. Yeah. Yesterday's search has shown all the electronic evidences recovered from his own office.
So have we been able to establish something on these lines that because of the lockdown, this business actually bloomed more in the lockdown year? I mean, that's a genuine distinction. Hasn't they encashed this opportunity? Like they look at it as an opportunity?
That is for the people to decide. We'll have to go through the accounts as to how many subscriptions. Is there any increase in the number of subscriptions? We'll definitely go through that. Yeah, as I told, we आपल्याला भरपूर सबस्क्रिप्शन्स सापडले आहेत, अकाउंट्सच्या शीट्स सापडलेल्या आहेत, ऑपरेशन्सच्या पद्धती सापडलेल्या आहेत, व्हॉट्सॲपचे चॅट सापडले आहेत ज्यामध्ये या सर्व गोष्टी केल्या होत्या, अग्रीमेंटचे पेपर सापडलेले आहेत आणि काही पॉर्नोग्राफिक क्लिप्स ज्या शूट केलेल्या होत्या त्या सुद्धा सापडल्या. उनके ऑफिस से हमको अग्रीमेंट के पेपर्स मिले हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एविडेंस ईमेल्स मिले हुए हैं, फिर अकाउंट्स की पूरी शीट्स मिली हुई है, व्हाट्सएप चैट्स मिले हुए हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें और पोर्नोग्राफिक क्लिप्स भी वहाँ से बरामद हुई है. No, there were other members also in the group. Now that is registered in London, so that is a part of investigation.
OTT platforms are under Sara. Have you summoned any of the representatives of the OTT from this platform?
This was an app in itself. So Google and Apple, when they realized after complaints, they took them down.
So how many apps did Kundra was running?
At present, we've understood one Hot Shots, but then he's shifting over to other apps also now. Arms Prime is the original company through which the apps like Hot Shots and other individual apps also of some celebrities were prepared.
Sir, do we know how many?
Only a few tens of thousands rupees.
So do we know how many victims are there in the case, and only women or men also?
Mainly women. Number we would avoid giving the number also because some of them didn't muster the courage to come forward, but we respect their.
सर ऐप्स के नंबर बताएंगे सर कितने ऐप्स से रिलेटेड था राज कुंद्रा, कितने ऐप्स वो इस तरह के सर्वे कर रहा था?
As of now, we have laid hands on only Hot Shots.
कमाई के बारे में कुछ पता चल पाया सर, जैसे कि 8 से 10,000 रुपए अगर विक्टिम्स को दे देते हैं ऑर्डर्स को, तो इनकी कमाई जो चैट्स पे सामने आई है.
Yeah, that we need to analyze the account sheets. We've laid our hands on them. We'll be analyzing all the account sheets also.
आर्म्स प्राइम का खेल हो सकता है सर, कर्मों का खेल हो सकता है, कमाई बहुत ज्यादा लेकिन विक्टिम्स या किसी को देना बहुत कम था, उसका भी खेल था.
It would be inappropriate to comment on the quantum of money, but it was certainly a rising business.